Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to encrypt the sending card. First, the encryption of the sending card requires hardware support. Compared to a regular sending card, the hardware includes an additional button battery on the motherboard. Open the debugging software LED setting. Click on Screen Configuration and enter the authorization password 168. Detect the sending card, then click on Others. In the Others menu, click the Encryption button. The decryption window will pop up. After successfully synchronizing the network time, click Encrypt. Set the expiration time and the encryption password. Click OK. Once encryption is successful, close the window. After encryption, the screen will go black at the set expiration time and must be decrypted before it can be used normally. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.